So I have Brittany here with me today. Again, she's been voluntold to sit in the seat. And I was going to ask her a couple questions because I'm not as on the front lines anymore. And Brittany and the team here, they talk to the majority of the people that call in. And so those pain points come from them. So I wanted Brittany to give her 2 cents. So what I think the biggest question is, why are our rates going up when we haven't had claims? Brittany, do you have any idea?
I do know partially with like all of the major events that happened last year with Helene and flooding and things, carriers paid out. Whether we had a claim or not, the carriers paid out. So that's also affecting everyone's rates. They've raised rates to try to get money back. Part of it, like you said, the market is there. A lot of factors go into everything. I mean, I've been telling all my clients, unfortunately, I'm in the same boat. No claims on home or auto, and yet both of mine went up as well. We're hoping we'll start to see a change, but there's a lot of factors that play into it, and part of it is they're trying to recoup some of the money from some of the big claims we've hit.
Yeah, that's a good point. So there are a few things. Of course, natural disasters are a big one, and it's not carrier specific. A lot of times it's regional, and it can be a difference between where carriers like to operate and where they're licensed to insure. We only deal as an agency with North Carolina, so we're more in tune to North Carolina issues. But Helene hit Western North Carolina really hard. If any of you were affected, you know best, and we're sorry that you were involved in that. We had quite a few clients that did get hit in a big way, and we're all in this together. So when you pay your insurance premiums, a lot of carriers will put those premiums, part of those premiums aside to pay claims. And if they aren't seeing any of that, if they're paying out more than they're getting in, that could be a problem. We're not saying that's the case with all of them, and we don't know exactly how these algorithms work when they rate these policies. But we do know that money has to come from somewhere, and most of the times those are from the premiums that we put in.